Society's been evolving, we've changed, we've accomplished a lot of things, but now we need to go faster. We can go faster. And can we pool the knowledge? A number of you stressed the importance of education, learning from each other, pooling our experience, our successes, our failures.
The World Economy is very eager to work with you and to give you also access, to be a channel of access for you, to make your voices heard. And I can think of so many events that we've had in the past where more young people would have been just great for everyone.
So youth engagement is not about engaging them in a conference or a series of talks. It's ultimately about sharing the decision-making process with them so they feel personally accountable and responsible to make the change they wish to see in the world.
As someone who went into the social activism work quite young, I myself found it hard to find leadership training because a lot of these conferences refused to accept me on the basis that I was below 18 years old.
We need more inclusive and participatory leadership and management systems. So we need something like democratized leadership to trust and ability of young people and provide them with learning and training opportunities. Leadership is a skill.
The energy is just incredible. And of course it's because we were able to get together such a brilliant young people. And also what was interesting, I think from at least 40 countries. It's amazing.
It means so much to me that, everyone's coming from different parts of the world, especially during this pandemic, to kind of gather around to talk about how do we shape the leaders of the future and how do we really create the unity between small organizations and big organizations.
But also, to the people who cannot contribute, we also should spread the awareness, and the awareness about 17 development goals. It's really important nowadays, and we should spread it, the visibility of it through the traditional media and the social media.
Activists are platforming others. So, for example, Vanessa Nakate is an activist in Uganda, and she recently gained some media attention and has used that attention to platform other activists in her country who maybe don't have access to what she has access to.
Is that we need to use technology, especially now, to be able to open up these conversations exactly like this conference and have people who wouldn't have met otherwise be able to talk to each other and hear from each other about their different experiences and come up with solutions.
Global leadership in the 21st century wants to bring out our ideas as young people to enrich the debate and with our proposals, our point of view, and it wants to create this bridge, as also Thomas Reuter said, between the young leaders of today and the scientists and the experts.